Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, it's grocery haul day. We've got a mishmash of things just to add to what we already have in the house. We're also going to be doing some cooking tonight, so we thought we'd bring you guys along with us. Here is what we got at the grocery store. I shopped Walmart today. On my regular groceries, I spent, y'all be ready for this, be that prepared, $68. No, $76. 76. Shoot, I thought I had made it. That doggone ghee put me over. That ghee was $9. Doggone it. $77. There it is. Shoot, I thought I had made it in my $75 budget. It was the ghee. That's what it was. The kids asked for this Hawaiian Punch flavor packets for water. That was a little bit under $4, like $3.87. The organic steamable cauliflower rice, that was $1.87. I got 8 bags of that. I'm going to be cooking about 4 of those tonight. I got Gala apples, 3 pounds were $4.87. And then I got 3 pounds of the mandarin oranges. They were $3.98. Picked up this organic baby spinach for a little bit over $5. Strawberries, I don't exactly know the price because I didn't see one at the station, but 32 ounces or 2 pounds of strawberries. Blueberries were $4.64, something like that. Grapes, the red ones and the green ones, were $1.68 a pound, so I picked up a couple pounds of those. The ghee was $8.97. Bananas, I think they're 24 cents a pound. And then we're about to have to do a new thing on these paper plates because they were over $7 for 200 paper plates. They used to be $5 and some change. We're going to have to just wash dishes in Jesus' name because I can't continue to spend that much money. It's like one of those convenience items, and it's not convenient. I mean, it is convenient, but it's not profitable for me, right? So I'm just not going to be able to continue that. And I almost left those in there. But groceries, that cost me $77. Fresh fruit, fresh produce, just a little bit. We've got some stuff in the fridge. We're actually getting ready to start cooking some things. So let me get comfortable and then I'll bring you along for the cook along. All right, y'all. So I'm cooking. I'm sitting in a chair because my ankle, I'm not sure what is going on with it, but I will say this, that it is really bothering. So I'm making a curry cauliflower rice. So I'm gonna put 4 bags of cauliflower in this in my biggest fry pan because I'm trying to make enough for several days. I don't know if the kids will be eating this as well. I do know I'll be eating it, and so still on the journey, right? So I'm doing curry cauliflower. I'm actually gonna put some spinach in here, and that'll be like a side dish. We have in the Instant Pot back there, we have potatoes going, and those will be used as frying potatoes, but we like to cook them ahead, and then we'll put them in a pan with some, you know, a fat of some kind. Now today, I don't really feel good. I feel like my head is swimming, but my schedule is off a little bit. I was out of town for a couple of days, and I had to go back to work today. I was out of town for a work trip, and I went back to work today, and I actually had classes all day, so I didn't eat on time. I didn't drink all my coffee. It was just a different day. And now it's 7:46, and I have got to do, I've got cooking to do. I still have a workout to do. Give me the broth. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Thank you. And then Jack, I need seasonings up there.
What kind?
Fridge.
Any kind that I have. Curry is what I want.
I may be finding.
They didn't have any. They didn't have any at Walmart. I know. We can go to Food Line. Check Food Line tomorrow. I didn't want to stop again because I was already on my way.
Okay, we're gonna get rid of this.
Yeah, ask Jackson about his scones if he wants to throw them in the freezer.
You can freeze them. Yes. I'll eat them eventually. I know where to put the film. I mean the curry powder.
What about these?
It should be. Is it not behind there?
What are you looking for?
Or on the roly thing?
What are you looking for?
Curry powder.
What about these?
You can toss it. I'm not gonna eat them. I'm not gonna eat anything else. Okay. Have the chili powder.
Good boy.
Or did you use it all?
I didn't use it all. I just can't.
It's gotta be in there.
I'll do it this already. Maybe get some. I have to teach you.
Maybe I did use the bottle. Okay.
I know you can hear
So
them.
maybe I did use the bottle. I think I did.
You might have used it all, and I just didn't know to buy any more. It's okay. All right.
Cream.
New plan. No curry. We don't have any more curry, so I just use chili powder. It'll be fine. I'm gonna use some chicken bone broth in here to get it going, and then on the other side, I'm gonna make some shaved steak. So shaved steak, because Instant Pot started, I can use shaved steak to eat it as meat. I wish I had time to roast my tomatoes, but I didn't have time, but we'll do that tomorrow. Yes, Papa. By the time it's time, it won't be.
I'm gonna eat that.
What is it? Green beans?
You put that over there?
We're gonna make some chicken salad because we had chicken left over from Sunday.
What's in this? But it's gonna go, yeah. It's just more mashed potatoes.
I'm gonna go take my work clothes off, get comfortable, and then I'm gonna come back and finish filming. All right, y'all. So here, Jackson, bring over what you have. We're making, what we making, Jackson?
Muffin tops.
Muffin tops, the whole 30 muffin tops. Jackson put that together there. That's what he's doing. Here we have the cauli rice, spinach, and the shaved steak with the, we didn't have the curry, so we could only use the chili seasoning and regular seasonings. So that's what we have there.
It wasn't that good.
We did a whole 30 chicken salad. That's grapes and raisins in there, just mayonnaise and shredded chicken. And then here we have potatoes that we did in the Instant Pot. All right, y'all. So we didn't do much of showing y'all the cook along. It was just easier to get it done. I'm very tired. Today, like I said, I had a lot to do after. I've got a thing. I have a thing this weekend, and I have had to plan for that, and I'm just tired. I just came back from a work trip, and yeah, I'm just wore out. I was happy to stay within my budget as far as the $77 was concerned, right? It's only over $2. I'll take it this time. I do know that we won't be able to just buy fill-ins forever, but we do have a lot of meat in the freezer that we do have to cook and start using. So I do want to use what we have and buy fresh things that we can add to it. I will also be going later this week. Home Depot is supposed to have some plant starts that I can actually put in the garden before our last freeze date, I think, is like November. We don't even get a freeze until November, so, and it might even be December. So I'm gonna check frost dates, and I want to make sure that I can get something in the ground before then. I know I asked for collards, kale, broccoli. A friend of mine called to check. Brussels sprouts, not Brussels sprouts. Broccoli, cauliflower. I'm sorry, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, cabbage, collards. Those types of hardy veggies. And so I'm gonna try, because we did clean out the vegetable. We cleaned out the garden, so I want to put
some veggies back in, right? We want to always have something coming up. So I'm going to do that. It'll be a couple days. I don't have time this week to do it. But I'm actually going to try to do another inventory to make sure that we have everything that we need. I have my Whole30 book on top of the fridge. I'm going to pull that down and just kind of give that a little look through and make sure that I'm staying on track with my things. And yeah, it's going to be great. Left my lunchbox at work, but so I had to cook ahead to make sure that I have things that I can eat. If I don't have meal prepped, I'm going to fall off the bandwagon. Get all of that out, please. Get all of that out, please. Get all of it out. Use the spatula. Here. Let me see. Got it?
Yes.
And over here on this side, too. Yeah, just get it. It makes it easier to clean, and you get it all in the... Come.
What am I to be here except to get on my...
You can move out. You're legally old enough to move out.
He done put her out of my
Well,
house.
you can move in
Oh, gosh.
to Alana's
Gotcha.
territory.
There's
I'm
one
not
more
moving
little
in
side
there.
over there.
No,
Don't.
That's just pigs.
Yell. Oh, okay. Put it in there. Dump it in. Shove it in one.
Shove, boy, shove.
Yeah. Don't argue with your sister.
Mom, I'm listening. She's an adult. She can leave. I can't. She can.
But you can.
Yes, go talk to Shamika.
Call your dad.
Mom, I like living here. I just don't like living with
Well, she lives here sometimes. I mean, I'm sorry. Anyhow. Additional meals. I think we have, what did you say, Alana? We have a roast. Alana, we have a roast. We have a roast.
right there.
We have chicken thighs. We have a roast. What else do we have?
Some beef, Mom.
And some beef. So 3 meal things that we can use as far as meats are concerned.
Wait, what did you say the other one was?
Roast,
No, the other thing.
chicken thighs,
Oh.
and what did you say?
Beef.
Beef.
Alright, we have ground beef.
Ground beef. So that'll be good. We'll get some meals done. Jackson's gonna cook some 0 carb noodles this week, Friday, I think. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm gonna have cabbage. Don't we have a cabbage?
I think so.
We have 1 cabbage, and I'm gonna eat that in the place of noodles. Okay. There it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye now.